Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, October 5th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar yen. And we're on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour. So on the monthly, I still think this is either an A, B, C, which I would target this 78% Fibonacci retracement, or the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the top of wave B for the end of a wave C, or it potentially is a wave one, wave two, and a wave three. If it's a wave three, then we would then target the 161, 178% Fibonacci extension of wave one, projected off the top of wave two. So either way, on this very high time frame, I am definitely still very bearish. Going down to the weekly time frame, very, very sideways overlapping market, but it never did break structure to the upside, which means that we are technically still in a downtrend. And this to me looks like a potential WXY, especially on the daily time frame. So I think there still is a pretty good chance that this is going to end up pushing down much, much more. Going down to the daily time frame, this is where you can start to break this down. Even though it's very overlapping, very messy, I do think there is some clarity here because I would say this is one, two, three waves up W, one, two, three waves down X, one, two, three waves up Y. So I think that potentially the end of the correction is right here, and then we have impulsive down like wave one, and then I think we have WXYXZ pattern, which is better seen on the 4 hour time frame for a potential wave two. And I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to keep going down for a wave three, at least on the daily, making lower lows and lower highs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, if I zoom out a little bit, this WXYXZ pattern, even though it's very overlapping, I mean, it is definitely three waves, three waves, three waves, three waves, and three waves. WXYXZ should always be 33333. So definitely fits the characteristics of a complete pattern. Maybe the complete wave two is right here. This is maybe like a one. Maybe we're now in a corrective pattern for like the subdivision of this new trend, like a wave two. And eventually this week it will probably bounce from a fib level and go down and start a big wave three to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it all depends on what kind of trader you are, because I don't think that this move up is over yet. First move down should be a one. We probably have like an A here. We're probably going to make some sort of an overlapping corrective pattern for a wave B. Later on, probably push up for a wave C, maybe to like the 50 or the 61%, because those seem like pretty likely areas in the past for us to see resistance in the future, ending at wave two, and maybe later on this week starting a big downtrend for a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.